Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you have a dot charger, you have a problem where high beams do not work guys, stay with us, we'll explain what can easily cause that and how to fix it. It could be where only one high beam doesn't work or both do not work, and we'll explain in each scenario how to fix that. In some cases it could be something really hidden that most people will never actually do, and it may require certain procedures, so make sure you stay tuned in. We'll cover very helpful information today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos and we can keep saving you money guys. If you need to buy parts too, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them at a really good price, quick shipping. So, it should work on V6, V8 engines. Ours is specifically, this one is 2018 model V6 3.6, but it doesn't matter guys, high beams are just high beams, lights are the same on both, practically bodies. So, let's talk about that now. First guys, you have one special fuse, okay, for the lights, and actually it controls the high beams as well. If that fuse is bad, your high beams will not work. But often you will notice that if that fuse is bad, one of the tail lights and one of the headlights will not work as well, because it's for the exterior lights and actually for the high beams. If you want to check where the high beam fuse is located, check out our Electrical Car Repair Live YouTube channel. You'll be able to find all the fuses there, codes, things like that, that can save you guys quite a bit of money. So, if it's not the fuse, what else it could be? Light itself. You have only one bulb guys in the light, and that one bulb, actually you have a special motor in your light that controls the bulb to practically go up and down. So it will be low beams, high beams, low beams, high beams. So it could be the connector, check the wiring harness. It could be if one of them is not working, it could be just a bad headlight. Okay, the motors do go bad, we've seen that happen before. Let's say the fuse was bad or the motor was bad, you had to replace headlight and it's still not working. Okay, what else it could be? It could be two more things. One, you may need to use a scanner diagnostic tool to practically one of those that can access every computer system in your car. You can read the codes and delete the codes from your car. Sometimes you may have stored codes for bad headlight, and as a result the body control module may deactivate that function because that way it can make sure that the car doesn't catch on fire if there was a short or something like that. So it's kind of like a safety procedure that's supposed to reset on its own, but sometimes it doesn't. So you may need to clear the codes in order to work correctly. We've had that happen before. And this tool is amazing for that job. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. You can see where you can get it from, but you can access every computer system, you can read codes, delete codes, and see live data. And some of these new cars, they may end up having like this BMW over 60 computers guys, so that's ridiculous. You definitely need diagnostic tool like this one. It works on any car you can think of, you can see. It's amazing too. Let's say you reset it, still doesn't work, and you have a problem where both do not work guys, both high beams. You check the fuse, it's still good, you reset the codes, still not working. It could be something completely different. And this is your headlight switch, the turn signal and headlight high beam lever, the one on the left side of the steering wheel. We have a video how to test turn signal lever, how to test high beams lever. So that one, if it goes bad, you will not switch them. We've seen that happen quite often too. That's the lever that we're talking about, this lever right here. You can see the one that you switch, low beams, high beams. Okay, if that lever is bad, okay, it will not actually turn the high beams on. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.